Hey there, science enthusiasts! Have you ever wondered if a gooey, slimy substance could save an egg from a high drop? Today I'm going to dive into that exact experiment using something super cool called Oobleck. Oobleck is a non-Newtonian fluid, which means it acts like a liquid when poured but can behave like a solid when pressure is applied. It's named after a Dr. Seuss book, and let me tell you, it's just as fun as it sounds. To make Oobleck, all you need is cornstarch and water. Mix them together and voila, you've got yourself some science magic. Now, on to the big question. Can Oobleck protect an egg from breaking in an egg drop challenge? The goal of an egg drop project is simple. Drop an egg from a certain height and see if you can prevent it from breaking. People usually use parachutes, padding, or even bubble wrap to cushion the fall. But today, we're going to think outside the box and use science. When an egg drops, the kinetic energy on impact usually causes it to break. But here's the cool part. Oobleck can absorb this kinetic energy. It thickens under pressure, acting like a cushion to protect the egg. So, let's put it to the test. First, you'll need to prepare a container filled with Oobleck. Make sure it's deep enough to absorb the impact. Carefully place a raw egg on top of the Oobleck, then get ready to drop it from a height. And remember, safety first. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1, drop. Did it break? Nope. The Oobleck absorbed the impact and the egg is intact. How amazing is that? This experiment is not just fun, but also a fantastic way to learn about the properties of non-Newtonian fluids and kinetic energy. So next time you're looking for a fun and educational project, give the Oobleck egg drop a try. You'll not only learn some cool science, but also get to play with one of the most fascinating substances out there. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my upcoming science adventures. Thanks for watching and stay curious. See you next time.